about to break it in.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
That's a cactus you're using as a pillow. Just mention it.
What you got there, Burr?
Your DoorDash order is here.
Aww.
Jenny? Don't do it. Stop. Stop.
What did I do to deserve that look, Bean? Bean, are you sleeping with your mouth this open? Hey.
Yo, Moxie, what do you think of my new AirPods? What do you think of these Tic Tacs? What do you think of this Chinchino?
First of all, Nala, back up, because I don't know what this cat going. Come. Nala, come.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
So we got a boop and a bop. I'll show you the difference. This is a boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. And then this is a bop.
Hi, Frank. Do you like it? No.
Get off my car.
Do you not like it?
High five. High five. Put her there. Give me some skin.
Hey, baby. Oh my God, Miguel.
Why do you keep going in there? How do you even get in there?
Hey.
I have to stop her from coming in, but we'll let her in.
Oh my God.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
And to the people, what are your thoughts on racism?
Mina, what do you have? Please say you killed it. Mina, you need to go outside. Please say it's dead, please say it's dead, please. It's not dead!
Okay, listen, you need to oh my god. No! Oh no!
No, ma'am. Paws off.
This random ass cat just walked. Holy shit, it's got laser eyes. Oh! I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate.
Oh, he's not happy.
Stop being so nasty. You're a nasty boy.
What did you do? Fuse, guys, come here. Why?
Wakey, wakey, it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Kediyi gömmüşüzdür. Sadece kafası var. İyi mi böyle?
I'm gonna show you guys why you can never trust a pit bull. Just a warning, it might get a little graphic. Oh.
Babe, who's the alpha? Like...
Stephanie, I'm not letting you outside. Because the last time you went outside, this happened.
Mother, I crave violence.
Look at this distinguished gentleman.
Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very.
It's not gonna end well for you.
Hey, Mom, do you mind if I stomp on your tits? Hey, Mom, do you mind can I...
Let's see what Zuko's knocked under the couch this week. Oh my god. What? I hope you're proud of yourself, Zuko. I really do.
Don't get me wrong, being an adult and living on your own is pretty great. The only problem is that I now have access to adult money, which means I can buy whatever I want, which means I end up buying shit like this.
Get off of the car. Get off. Off.
You just don't care?